Okay, today we're going to tour a VA foreclosure. Unfortunately, it's pouring rain, but I'm gonna try to make this quick. So anyway, this is a VA foreclosure. And I know some people out there are thinking, well, how could it be a VA foreclosure if they have a moratorium on their foreclosures? Well, even though they do to the end of the year, they're still gonna get properties, okay? There's different ways they'll still get properties. So you're gonna see properties on their website and you will see VA foreclosures, pop out. So this is a concrete block house. It's actually in pretty good shape. The only question really is gonna be the roof, but it's been renovated as you're gonna see from the inside. But it's a little under 1,100 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. It's got nice LVT floors. So this is the living room area. Like I said, it's not a big house, but it's really cute. I mean, it's move-in ready. There's just a couple of question marks that I have that kind of need to be checked out. But somebody put some time and effort in renovating this property. Here's your kitchen. I mean, you got nice countertops, nice cabinets. You've got a gas stove, microwave, comes with a fridge, dishwasher. The house also has all new windows, which is a huge, huge perk. Windows are one of my biggest pet peeves when it comes to investors and house flipping. Most of them will skimp on the windows, but this one has all new windows. You can see the bathroom's been updated. I mean, this house is really nice. Nice custom shower. You've got an inside laundry room right here, which is nice, actually. Like I said, it's 3 bedrooms. It's only 1 bath, which is not, it's not the best thing in the world, but this property is only listed at $115,000. It's not bad. So here's one of the issues I have. If you'll notice, these plugs are non-grounded, which is not a good sign. Even though the panel is circuit breakers, none of the bedrooms have grounded outlets. And I haven't pulled a cover off to see if there is any ground wires, but I doubt it. Hopefully there's no aluminum wiring. There's no mention of aluminum wiring anywhere, but you need to look. I mean, especially with the age of this house. But like I said, a really cute house. I mean, for the most part, it is move-in ready. There's your electrical panel, which is circuit breakers, which is good. It also looks like it has a new HVAC system. It has a 1-car attached garage. It also has a newer hot water tank, which is also gas. But it was put in, its manufacture date is 2018. So that's another good bonus. Like I said, here's another little room. It could be storage or whatever. I mean, it could be an office space. But here's another outlet that's not grounded. So that's just not a good sign. And the biggest thing, it could affect your insurance. The light's not working too well in here, but you've got a 1-car garage. It's in pretty good shape. Now let's check out back. And this is a very convenient area for Pensacola. This is off 61st Avenue, which is right off Fairfield, just a couple miles down from a Mobile Highway and Home Depot, Lowe's, a lot of shopping, so a real convenient location. I mean, really nice HVAC unit, so that looks new. Nice backyard, lots of trees, nice little covered porch area here. So the biggest two question marks, and really for homeowners insurance reasons, is going to be the roof, because I can't tell yet what the roof looks like. But what I don't like is the drip edge looks really, really, really dirty, like it's not been replaced. I mean, a little pressure wash on the outside. I mean, it doesn't even need to be painted. Nice sized backyard. I'm pretty sure this house also is on sewer. It should be on sewer. Okay, so you can see the drip edge hasn't been replaced in a long time. I can't quite tell, but it looks like a rolled roof. And honestly, that's going to need to be inspected by a certified roofer to see what kind of life expectancy is on it. Now, I just came out here to run through this one real quick. I haven't pulled and checked to see if permits have been pulled. Hopefully they have had permits pulled, because they do have a newer hot water tank. But man, so, I mean, could be a really nice house, cute house, but especially for $115,000, though I'm quite positive it would go higher than that. It's probably worth a little bit more than that. That's only around $106 a square foot, but really good condition. Even the ceilings are flat and painted. All right, well, I'll try to update or put a comment in here when I make this video and put it out, and see if I can check and see what the electrical outlets look like, just to make sure there is no aluminum wiring. If there's aluminum wiring, shoot, that just sucks, because that's got to be fixed and addressed, or you're going to get clobbered in the homeowners insurance category. Okay, that's it for this tour. VA Foreclosure off 61st. I think it's 61st Street or 61st Avenue, north, and just a couple miles down from Mobile Highway and Fairfield intersection, where Home Depot, Lowe's, all kind of restaurants. You're really, really close also to Osceola Golf Course, which a lot of people know are familiar with around Pensacola. It's been a public golf course for many years. Like I said, it does have gas. You've got gas hot water heater. You've got gas stove. Appliances look good. New windows. Really, issues are non-grounded outlets and the roof. If the roof is good and has enough life expectancy, so insurance isn't an issue, then this would make a jam-up house. But let me see what I can find out. I'll try to make some comments. I appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great day.